Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how you can change your channel name. But before I do that, let me remind you that you have 90 days to change your channel name 3 times. Like in the course of 90 days, which is 3 months, you can only change your channel name 3 times. Now, secondly is if you are verified on YouTube, right? And you change your channel name, you're going to lose that blue tick. That verification will be lost. That is another thing you have to take on board. Aside that, let me show you how you can change your channel name on YouTube. So what you need to do is you click here. That is where your channel name is. If I click, you click on it and then click on where it says view your channel. So over here, you can see this is the channel. Click on where it says customize channel. Okay, so this is it. Channel customization. The first one is banner image picture. Then you need to scroll down, and if you scroll down here, this is name. Choose a channel name that represents you and your content. So here, you just change to the channel name that you want. The moment you change it, the handle here will also be changed. So this is how to change your channel name on YouTube. I hope this video has helped. You might want to click on the subscribe to give this channel a subscribe. Don't forget to like, save, and share. See you next time.